So the last question, the question 4, compute the model forecast of demand in 2003 using the actual price and incomes data for that year. In other words, fit the model to 1959 to 2000. So we have to select a particular variables here, okay? So if we go to TSM again, and let's say we want to erase everything over here just for the sake of argument, and we want to run a regression, right? And we want to select a certain sample. So we don't want to select the last sample to be 2003. We want it to be 2002. And remember, this is the whole span except till 2002. So we say all variable observation. No, we say simulate this. Let's close now. So the sample data will be till 2002. The other thing we want to do is so if we remember that the selected data is going to be log food and the type 1 error, the regressors are going to be this. I just don't want to do the weld test anymore, and then we hit go. So this is going to be our observations. Now what we want to do is we want to incorporate the Chow forecasting test. Okay, so the question is saying to use a final period for forecasting, right? So we want to use the last period to forecast. This is called the ex-post forecasting exercise. So how do we do this? And report the actual forecast error and the Chow forecasting test to test that the drone is from the same distribution. So let's do that. We're gonna go to options and then to forecasting. Okay, we want to select ex-post, which is one step forecasting, and we say simulate, or I think we're going to be running the regression again. So we hit go, and you will see that we have a Chow forecasting test where the chi-square of this test is 4.38. Okay, so this will be your Chow forecasting test. Now, as you can see that the Chow forecasting test is, the p-value is given by 0.036, which means that it is smaller than 0.05, right? So in this case, the Chow forecasting test is not valid. So basically what it means is that there is a differences between the values before 2003, which is, you know, all the values until 2002 and 2003. So they are not the same. So the null hypothesis is not rejected. It's actually rejected at a 5% confidence significance level. Okay, and you can see that obviously in the data set.